Hello everybody, how's it going? Hi, this is Kelly, welcome back. Today is Friday, June the 13th, and I've got a little bit of cleaning up in the kitchen to do and boxing up some more stuff to move. I've put the house, since I've talked to you last, I've put the house on the market. I was offered a good amount for it, and I took it. Our closing date is July the 28th, and I'm just trying to keep the place clean, so get it all done and get out of here. Anyway, if you want to come along and be with me, I am fixing to wash up some dishes. I do have a dishwasher I have to unload, but I'm running the water now for the dish. I like to wash dishes by hand because it's very, very soothing to me and relaxing, and so I like to do that. Right now I'm taking everything out of the dishwasher that's been washed, just in case I decide to put them in here. Because it just depends on when I get to washing. I might go, oh, never mind, I'm just going to put them in the dishwasher. But when I'm stressed, I like to wash dishes by hand. It relaxes me. I know you can't see me right now, but I'm here. Some people, I guess, they just like to throw them in there and get them done, but I thoroughly enjoy washing dishes. I've started washing dishes at the age of 5, when I was able to sit in a chair at the sink and want to help. My chore become the dishes. Then it led to everything else. So anyway, how's everybody doing? I know the last time I talked to you, I was letting you know about my husband passing away. Can you believe this month is 9 months? I can't believe it. It's gone by so fast, y'all. I don't know. 5 months. Wow. It goes to show you how fast things can go by. It don't even seem like it's been that long. But I've seemed to survive so far. I had enough money to get me somewhat far for 9 months, and now I'm getting really low and praying that the house sells soon so that way I can get out of here. My plans are to, there is this mobile home park that's really nice in Nesbith, and I have went and checked out some mobile homes that's for sale there. I've got one that's for $65,000, 3-bedroom, and there's one that's a 2-bedroom that I think is a little bit nicer than the 3-bedroom, but you know, you can redo your trailer. But you know, we started out it's so funny because I was thinking about this the other day. My husband and I, we started out in a trailer, and then as time went on and we got our credit, I got his credit situated, we were able to buy our first home. This is actually our 3rd home, and my final home is going to be that trailer because I'm tired of moving, to be honest with you. You know, you don't realize how much you have until you start packing up everything. And of course, I make a lot of my stuff, so yeah. So anyway, that's how that goes. Well, I have an update on my weight loss. I am down to 239 from 270. What was it? 267. I am down to 239. I guess staying busy, packing, so that way I don't have to worry about stuff. I'm trying to stay on top of everything. It's been keeping me busy, and I haven't really been eating much. When I do, I eat a little bit more than I should when I do eat, but I mean, I've just been staying so busy. But how's everybody doing out there? I'd like to know. Leave me a comment. And if you're here the first time, hi, I'm Kelly, and I started this channel a few years back, and I try to stay on top of everything. But anyway, thanks for coming and joining us today. And like I said, I'm going to wash up some of these dishes and just keep me company while I'm doing it. That's what I like. I enjoy having company, having somebody to talk to. I find that really helps keep my mind off of things, you know, having someone to talk to. And so I'm going to start getting back. I'm trying to get back on track to start recording again. I just get so busy, I totally forget about things. I really do. So I apologize for that. But the process, I tell you, the thing that gets me is at nighttime. I like to stay up at night. Summer break, I don't know if I told you, but I got a substitute teacher's job. It wasn't paying enough, but at least it kept me busy. And so that kept me busy during the day. Then at nighttime, I would be so tired from the daytime knowing that I had to get up the next day, so I wasn't staying up as long as I was. So, sorry y'all, my allergies are messing with me. I didn't take my allergy medicine this morning. But anyway, yeah, nighttime is really bad for me. I guess it's because my son's at work. My son's been staying with me to help me with bills. And, hold on one second, I gotta get a drink. And, hold on, I gotta get some water, hang on. But my son, he moved in to help me with bills, and he works night shift. And so I'm pretty much here by myself at night. And that's the part that gets me. Sorry, it's taking this thing forever to fill this water up. Oh, there it is. Anyway, so if anybody that's watching, if you've ever lost someone, you know what I'm talking about. Grief will sneak up on you at nighttime, and I don't like it because I start slowing down at night unless I've slept all day, and then I'm up a lot at night. And here lately, that's what it's been. I've been staying up, packing, and watching TV, watching YouTube. That's my stuff to do. And then by the time I get in bed, I've almost slept the whole day away when I get up. So that's pretty much been my schedule here lately. But I don't know, I've just been so tired here lately. I don't know if it's the weather or what it is, but it's just, I don't know if I've let depression sneak back in. I don't know. I'm not going to counseling. I can't afford it. They were seeing me for free, but they got tired of calling and making me appointments, so I don't go to the counselor anymore. So, but anyway, this is what I've been doing, just staying up at night, and if I have dishes to wash, I'll do the dishes and clean off the countertops and sweep the mop floors if need be. Try to get that done while my son's at work, because this floor can get very slippery when it's wet. So I want to make sure it's all done before he gets home, or if he gets up, I don't want him slipping on the floor. So that's what I've been doing. And then Miss Pear, she keeps me busy. She's on the floor next to me. She's my shadow. She goes wherever I go. I try to see my kids as much as I can. My daughter Samantha and her husband, they just bought their first home together, and they painted the whole inside, and now they're laying floor on the inside. So that's keeping her pretty busy, because normally me and her would go to breakfast together. But you know how it does. Everybody's got a life. You know, everybody's got a life. Everybody's busy, and it's understandable. But I just wanted to pop on and let you know that I'm okay. I'm still here. mean, I'm living life day by day. Just that's all you can do. That's all you can do. And put down in the comments what you do that keeps you busy, what hobbies you do, what things you like to do. I like to do all kinds of stuff, but at the time I can't do really much because I'm packing, and I'm trying to keep everything organized because you never know. But I hope everybody's doing well, and I appreciate you staying with me while I do the dishes, and it was enjoyable. I know I'm the one doing the talking, but I know you're there watching. So anyway, thank you for coming by, and if you're new here, subscribe, hit the like button, and share. That helps out my page. And if you're returning subscriber, thank you for coming. I hope everything's going well in your life, and I hope that God is watching down on everybody, and all we can do is what He has us to do. It's all in His will. And anyway, have a great night, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.